Welcome to a video about the 5 steps in our stakeholder analysis. Let's just pretend that you and I are running a business or a partnership, if you will. We are going to have stakeholders who we need to make happy and return profits to. So how are we going to do this? We need a plan. Well, we have our stakeholder analysis, which are 5 steps to do this, so let's walk through it. First of all, who are our stakeholders? There are 2 main different kinds of stakeholders: external stakeholders and internal stakeholders. Internal stakeholders are employees, stockholders, and board members, and they are involved in the actual business and the process of making the service or product. And that isn't just employees. Stockholders have voting rights if they're common stockholders, and board members make decisions for the company, of course. So all 3 groups are involved in the process of delivering a good product. We also have our external stakeholders. So we want customer loyalty to be high. We want to have a good relationship with our suppliers. If we have alliance partners, we want those relationships to be efficient and well-mannered too. And so we have a lot of people to please. So first thing we have to do is identify who are our stakeholders. The next thing we need to do is think, what are our stakeholders' interests and claims? For our business, we should probably have a bullet point and write down every invested interest or want that our stakeholders might have. It doesn't necessarily mean we're going to meet them all, but it's very important to know, okay, what are everyone's expectations? The third step is to say, what opportunities or threats do our stakeholders present? And so, if you remember from this is talked about in every classic management class, your SWOT analysis, your strengths of the business, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This would be the O and T section. We're going to say, all right, what are some possible good outcomes, and then what might go wrong when working with our stakeholders. The fourth step is to determine what economic, legal, ethical, and philanthropic responsibilities do we have to our stakeholders. And so this is actually the order in which businesses meet responsibilities. First, even over legal, I guess, is economic. It's very important to have a viable business that has a sustained competitive advantage. Next, you have to meet all the laws and requirements of society's code of ethics. And they're all kind of intertwined, because if you're not obeying the law, that's gonna probably hurt profits too in the long run. So, and ethical, if you're more ethical, like Tom's donating a pair of shoes for everyone bought, that's gonna help your economic section. So they're all intertwined, but the order: first economic, then legal, then ethical, doing what's right, just, and fair, and then giving back. So what responsibilities do we have for our stakeholders? And finally, what should we do to effectively address stakeholder concerns? So this is making a plan. Let's walk through it really quick. Who are our stakeholders? What do they want? What are the opportunities and threats they present? What are our responsibilities to them? How are we going to do it? Hope this was helpful. Best of luck.